Are you applying for jobs on LinkedIn every day without checking them properly? How about getting all the relevant jobs in CSV file so you can make a decision faster? Here, the job scraping tool can help you. So I have created a LinkedIn job scraping tool using Python that lets you allow job search using keywords and location, which will make your job searching very faster and smoother. Hi, I am Chirag Zakaria, founder at BinaryBits.co. I specialize in creating a smart solution which can make your work easier. This is the LinkedIn job scraping tool built in Python, and this will allow me to get recent 50 jobs for Python in California, and it will provide me CSV file. And then what I will do is I will upload this CSV file into ChatGPT and will ask for the top 10 skills required in these jobs.